The problems are, for many of us, it's the cost. People always ask, how much does a building cost? For example, the social housing project we're working on, it's always been low budget, say £1,800 per square meter. What can we do with that budget? Traditionally, the architect will do the design intent and then pass to the quantity surveyor, and they come back to you with an estimate. And that's not accurate. It's always more expensive, it's always over the budget. At Kreod, we see ourselves as digital master builders. We're leveraging design, innovation, technology, integrate them together, and then develop a range of intelligent automation tools with the 3D Experience platform on the cloud. Everything is in one place. It allows us to control the full process, just a few simple clicks. On the 3D Experience platform, it has got the intelligence, not just the building information, more importantly, the manufacturing code, manufacturing information, and the assembly sequencing. As a result, we can automate the design, engineering, manufacturing, construction processes, and then generate all the building parts and components. With Kreod integrated DFMA intelligent automation tool we call KIDIA, so we can focus on high quality design and the low cost housing solutions. I studied architecture, trained to be an architect, and I have a sense of urgency to design and build architecture, beautiful buildings, sustainable, well designed. And now with any building products which is quantifiable, it gives me a BOM, bill of material. I call it shopping list. How many bricks, how many panels, it generates all this information automatically. Now we can present figures and facts based on today's rates. The certainty is the key. So if it's too expensive, can we introduce an alternative system, alternative product, or alternative supplier from abroad, which has got all the certifications and the compliance? So it gives a flexibility. 3D Experience platform is not just a CAD software. We use it as a business solution, understand the risk, the cost implications, and also how we deliver this. This informative design approach is the key to our success. It is a game-changing experience. This is really, really amazing times to design something we love and make it financially viable.